Big shout out to everybody who came out to my live stream on the channel the other night. I went from like 1 in the morning to 3 in the morning packing up these for FBA. I thought I was done, you guys, but I found this bag. I had another 60 to pack up. So there's about 60, 65 in here. I gotta pack up again. But big shout out to everybody who came through on that super late live stream. Great conversation, great feedback and energy. Let's go. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Let's go ahead and check these out. I feel like I'm really gonna keep these because what, 30, 39 bucks? Look at this though. Human races. So as you guys can see, they do have some here, but the pricing is not too crazy on them. One person for 100, 129. Let's go see what the sold comps are on these. 4 results, 69, 55. I don't know. But what'd you guys do? I think we're gonna leave those. They look good, but don't seem like they're doing too well as far as resale value. But the quality on these things is very dope. Got the all white with the off-white midsole, outsole. Pretty crazy. Let's go ahead and see what's going on with these Adidas right here. See if there's anything better over here. So now we got these here, and they want 55 for them. Somebody's asking 150, 174. Let's go ahead and see what the sold comps are. These look like they could be pretty good. No matches, nothing has sold. Only people asking over 100 bucks for these. Don't know what I would do. I feel like I might leave these. Let me know if you guys would have done that. Give me of course your thoughts. It is some wiggle room there, but I don't know. I really don't know about these. I don't want to be sitting in shoes that look good but don't sell fast, you know what I'm saying? So some of these Nikes right here, these things are pretty crazy. 29 bucks on them. Very bright, vibrant shoe or cleat. Let me see what the prices are going for these. So when it comes to looking these up right here, I've only found one listed so far, size 13. They want $64 for them. And anything else that's the same model but different colorway is only in the 60s. They're asking 29 bucks for these here, which gives you some wiggle room, but I don't like the wiggle room on these. So once again, we're gonna leave them. I'm a lot more select than I've been in the past, and I have a bad experience with cleats anyway, just because of everything that happened with the pandemia. So we're gonna leave these alone too. Now let's go ahead and check out these Nikes right here. Now these ones are a little interesting. Only 20 bucks on them. They are like some track cleats or spikes or cleats. Let's go ahead and link these up and see if there's worth anything. So we got something else that looks good. $19, $85 what it's listed for, $70 what it's listed for. Then there's a 44, but that's pre-owned. 69. What do you guys think about that? 89. Some pretty good prices for these, or some pretty good ask. Let's go ahead and see what the comps are actually though. We need to see what they sold for. That's what we need to see. 12 sold. 64, 79. 69, 39. Hey, how you doing today? So far, so good, thank you. Not bad, sold very recently. $19 for that. I like that margin a little bit better, so these might be a for sure shot. Those along with the, Crocs outside. I already looked these up before. $69 is still too rich for my blood. That's why I'm gonna leave these alone. Now, only thing that's left is these Under Armours here and the Hardens and those other Adidas down there. Let's go ahead and see what's up. Got some other cleats down here too. Adi Zero cleats, 36 bucks for those. 36 bucks for some cleats. They might be worth something, but I'm not paying $36 for cleats. So next up, we got these cleats right here. These are like some golf cleats. You guys can see right here, some golf shoes. 109, 123, 110, 110, 110. They're asking 59 bucks for these here. Let's go ahead and see what's up. Completes. Only one sold. Whoa. One sold for 134, 102, 101, 109, 123, 55 for 123. What do you guys think about that? That does look pretty promising. I think we're gonna go ahead and scoop these up too. I think so. This looks like it's a pretty good thing right here. 55 for that. And then we got these Hardens right here, and then we got these Adidas. Only thing that makes me iffy on these, I mean, I think they would sell. I don't know. Let's go ahead and check out these Hardens and see what's up also. Check these out too. Shout out to the James Harden Volume 3s. A lot of cool color ways for this shoe. So we got the Harden Volume 3 GCA. Silver colorway. 89, 69, 77. Let's just go see what they're going for. These might be something I'm gonna leave. Normally I probably would scoop these. But I think 69, 110, March 31st, 109. They want 45 for them here. There is some wiggle room there. Let me know what you guys think, honestly, man. Like I said, I'm being very picky on what I'm scooping up just because I've been stuck with stuff before. Even though we're doing whatnot, that might be a good way to put that on there. But I need to do a whatnot auction first to make sure things is Gucci and people are buying the things that I have. And then I'll dive in more, you know what I mean? I made a mistake before, getting antsy, feeling like I had something going on before, having even tested it, diving into it deep, and then not being the best for me. So I'm being very cautious on what I'm picking up, you dig? So these Hardens look like they might be pretty good, but I'm just not sure yet. And then let's go ahead and check out these Adidas and see what's good. Some Adidas basketball, Futurina. Let's go see. Wow, now this is interesting. Look at the prices for here. 149, 129, 149, 105. Like they don't go cheaper than 100. Let's see. This might be something I'll grab and run it tonight during my whatnot auction and see what happens. What the hell? These are only $39.99. Let's go ahead and see. So far, some of my for sure's is probably these two. All these other ones I don't know about, man, to be honest with you. All great, but I think I'm keeping these and these. We got some more over here too, so let's go ahead and see what's talking about these over here. A lot of stuff here, man. Some of this stuff will be thrown on my Monday whatnot auction. Some of this stuff might be thrown on the future whatnot auction. I'm trying to go pretty consistent over there, either Monday, Wednesday, Friday, or Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I'm not sure, but I will be going often. 49 for those. So we got these. I've seen these Adidas type of chucks, which are very interesting too. 3 laces on them. They're asking 39 bucks for these. If you guys have any information on them, let me know. These are pretty crazy though. Maybe we should look these up to see too. And they got these right here, which are definitely for this time of year. They got the spikes and everything. Nike, 50 bucks. I got stuck with some of these before in a different colorway. That's because nobody was riding the bikes. Now we got some more right here, size 7.5 for both of those. Those are pretty good. And we got some Under Armour cleats. Oh my God, what is going on today? They're trying to break my bank, bro. There's a lot of things going on here. Let me know what you guys feel like are the best finds in this store. Let me know what I passed on that I should have scooped up. But there's a lot of good things here promising, bro. These are crazy. We're gonna look these up right now. Got some more Adidas here, or K-Swiss with the splattered, but those were Adidas. Got some Adidas right there, the triple black ones. Look at all this heat right here, bro. A lot of things going on. Don't know where to go with this, but this is all fire. Expect to see this either on Whatnot, eBay, or I do have some people who might scoop this up personally, but these are pretty dope. Let me know what you guys think about these. Let's look up these right here. Now, like I said, some of these do sell pretty well, especially we're about to get into the biking season again. 50 bucks. Like I said, if there's anything here that I leave, feel free to come here and scoop it up. Some of the things I'll keep, some of the things I won't, obviously. $60, yeah, pretty mixed. So I'm gonna leave these alone. They are pretty dope looking, but they're just not for me. Put those out of here. These Adidas too. Let's look them up really quick. Last time I got something like this, it didn't work for me either. 65, 89, 119 even, okay. But let's see what they sold for. No exact matches, so we're leaving those alone too. I'm liking what I'm seeing here. Boom, boom. I think we might just go ahead and scoop up these 3. Those 3 right there look like they might be bangers for me. These right here are pretty interesting too. These Under Armour cleats. And then we have these ones right here too. 54 bucks. Size, smaller size. So let's go ahead and scoop and see what size these are really quick. These cleats right here, both of the Under Armour cleats are looking pretty good. They want 55 for these, 125, 119, 124. Half off. I usually like things that's like 70, 80% off. You know what I mean? 129, 99. Definitely not bad, but I just don't know. I want to get the most I can, the fastest that I can. These are looking pretty good though, so I think we make our decision on what we're gonna scoop up. So we got those Crocs slides outside or downstairs. Did I drop? Oh, we got these Crocs. Wow, the sensor. Oh no, it didn't. These Under Armours. These Under Armours. Both of those is definitely on point. Then we got these Nike cleats, $19. You can get like 80 to 90 for them. Then we also have these Adidas right here, these Adidas Boost 7.5Y, 7.5Y for both of them. Pretty dope. We got these Hardens down here for 44 bucks, which is also dope. Then we got these human made, like human races, I believe, 40 bucks on these. Pretty dope day today. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Some of these things will be available on Whatnot. If you follow me on Whatnot, ask about them. Maybe I'll have them available for you. Yeah, man, about to get out of here. There's a lot that we haven't covered. We even have the men's athletic, but I'm done. I'm tapped out. I'm not spending too much here today. I got a couple more spots that I'm about to go check out for some arbitrage. So we're just gonna be done with this, man. Let me know what you guys think, of course, in the comment section below. Smash the like button, share the video, and don't forget to subscribe, you dig? Just want to start off with some of the things that I'm sending off today on Whatnot, or from my Whatnot auction last night. Some Vans, we got some Theodore slides. We got some Asics right here, Asics gel lights. Then we got some Jordan mids right here. These ones are actually fire, right? All of this went out on my first Whatnot auction. So we got some more coming. Go ahead and follow me on Whatnot. Link will always be in the description box below. If you want to get a free $10, make sure you hit that invite link, you dig?